County has actually rejected this bill because for you to reject a bill, and the speaker here can confirm, you must table the bill properly before the House as a motion to the committee of the whole House, and you must debate it and take a vote on it. That's the law in Article 257. The counties you are saying, that is Kirinyaga, they purported to have rejected the bill based on a technicality. This is not the kind of bill that somebody introduces and another person seconds. It's not, and the speaker will confirm that to you. It is not even subject to their standing orders. So Kirinyaga never rejected the bill, but we are in court over that issue because we want the law to be followed. The same thing with Muranga. They never even debated the bill. They did not do public participation like Mandera today is doing. So you cannot overstep the stages of Article 257. So nobody rejected the bill. The same thing happened in Siaya. Siaya also, they never debated the bill. They never did public participation. Same thing with public. So there is only one county so far that has debated this bill and made a decision, and that is the county of Uasin Gishu. Because they did public participation, they debated the bill for nearly a whole day, then they took up, and it was 9.9%. So let's not mislead readers, and let's also not politicize this process. The law must be followed. I think one thing that is scaring people about this bill is how it addresses the question of impunity in this country. People who have for the long time benefited from impunity. That includes the belligerent attitude of some of those counties. And yes, it's true that information that came to us was that the MCAs from Kirinyaga County were paid 250,000 each to reject the bill. The same thing with I think Muranga. I don't know about the others. So those allegations came to us through MCAs and through members of the media. It's actually media guys who are also reporting this, and I think they reported about it. And yes, again, we hear it's from very high offices in this country. I think with time we'll be able to disclose where exactly those people are. But the fact of the matter is, money, taxpayers' money, was used to defeat a law that is actually beneficial to the people. Yeah.
1 month ago,
oh, absolutely. I think the mood, to be honest with you, even if you ask Wananchi, except for the fact that people are being sponsored to tell lies about the bill is very popular with Wananchi.
Yes, sure.
It's very popular. Very
popular.
Can we put it to question now? No. And as many as the same opinion say aye. Aye. And our contrary opinion say nay. Nay. And see the highs have it. So the bill is very popular with Wananchi, and you can see for yourself. And what we are saying to my brothers and sisters MCAs, please consider the people who sent you to their county assemblies, because you are representing the people of the wards, not the party leadership, not the political parties. The party may have given you a ticket, but there are also many people who are given tickets, but they never made it to the county assembly. So meaning, the people actually who sent you here are actually the people from the ward, not the party leaders, not the political party. So the bill is popular with the people, and I'm very confident that it will pass.